A dilation changes the size of a figure using a scale factor, and sometimes we give this a letter of K. So the rule goes, if x is less, the rule is if K is less than 1, it is a reduction, and if your K is greater than 1, it's going to be an enlargement. So now let's experiment with this and see what happens. All right, triangle QRS with vertices Q at -4, 1. R at 0, 3. And S at 1, -2. So here's my triangle. And we have a scale factor of K equal 2. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to multiply each coordinate by 2. So I'll multiply each number by 2. So -4 times 2 is -8. 1 times 2 is 2. 0 times 2 is still 0. 3 times 2 is 6. And 1 times 2 is 2. -2 times 2 is -4. So each number I just multiplied by 2. So -8, positive 2. So here you go. There's my new Q. R will be at 0, 6. And S will be at 2, -4. So this would be my dilation of 2. Parallelogram JKLM with vertices at -2, -1. Oops, my apologies. -2, -1 is down here. -1, 1. That'll be up here. L is at 2, 2. And M is at 1, 0. We have a scale factor of 3, so each coordinate times 3. -2 times 3 is -6. -1 times 3 is -3. And so on and so forth. So -6, -3 will be my first coordinate. K is at -3, 3. My new L will be at 6, 6. My new M will be at 3, 0. So here is my new figure. Quadrilateral CDF with vertices 0, 4. So 0, 4. This will be at C. D is at 4, 12. E is at 12, 8. And F is at 8, -2. We're going to have a scale factor of 1/4, so we're just basically divided every single number by 4. So 0 divided by 4 is 0, 4 divided by 4 is 1, 4 divided by 4 is 1, 12 divided by 4 is 3, 12 divided by 4 again is 3 again, 8 divided by 4 is 2, -2 divided by 4 is going to be 1/2, -1/2. Okay, so 0, 1. 0, 1 is going to be my new C. My new D is at 1, 3. My new E is at 3, 2. My new f is at 2 and 1/2. So here is my new shape. Question 18. We have a triangle LMN with vertices 0, 5, 0, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10. Oh, my bad. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 10. My new M, my new N is at 10, negative 5. So one big triangle. This time we have a scale factor of 1/5, so divide everything by 5. So 0 divided by 2/5, excuse me. 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 2, which is 2. 5 divided by 5, so that's going to be 2 again. 10 divided by 5 is 2 times 2 is 4. 10 divided by 5 is 2 times 2 is 4 again. And 5 divided by 5 is 1, so times 2, negative 2. So there's my new coordinates. 0, 2, my new L. 2, 4 will be my new M. And my new N will be at 4, 2, negative 2. So here's my new shape. Triangle WXYZ, excuse me, WXY. Triangle WXY with vertices at negative 6, negative 2. Here's my W, negative 3, 0. Y is at negative 2, 8. And we're going to transform this, or dilate it, using a scale factor of 3/2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So negative 9. Go to the next one. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Times 3 is negative 3. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 times 3 would be 6, or so 6/2. So, or excuse me, 9/2, which is 4.5. And that's going to be a negative. 0 times that, still 0. Negative 2 divided by 2. 0 times, excuse me, 1 times 3 was 3, negative 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, that's a negative. There's my new coordinates. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Down 3, that's my new W. Negative 4.5. And down does not move, so that's my new X. And negative 3, negative 2. This is going to be negative 3, negative 12. And that's my new Y.